Yeah, hi. I'm just going to explain that how exactly you can test the speed of the mobile internet. So let's have a look. This is my, just a moment, I think, call. Just a second. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to show how exactly we can test the mobile internet speed. Very simple. We need this app called 5G Mark. So if you go to Play Store, this is the app called 5G Mark. Need to install it. So and open it 5G Mark. So so there is by default like it will there will be option through which I will be able to test it. So once you load it, let it load, and once it loaded, click on test. It will ask for location, accept those information. Then you are indoor or outdoor. Based on that, car or train, you wanted to check the uh, like whether it is how the your network is. See, I wanted to show that I don't have Wi-Fi on. It is actually off. Okay, and I have, you can see my mobile data is on. In this area you can see my mobile data is on, correct? So if I scroll up, I am, I will say I am indoor right now. So not this icon. Yeah, now it has started. So you can see it is testing based on my mobile data, correct? So it's this is now they're checking the downloading speed, so it's approx 12 mbps. Uploading speed it is checking, which is approx 4 to 5 mbps. Okay, 4 to 5 mbps checking. Yeah, total 3.8 average, which is fine. Streaming, it is checking one video. Is it lagging the streaming or not? This is a video. So let's see, is it lagging or not, or it is fine. If it lags also, it will highlight that at the result, but let it load it. And so this is it's testing yet. So this video it's tested in YouTube. Is it playing or not? It is checking all the website simultaneously, all the web link which is randomly they check. Okay, how quickly it is opening the page from mobile network. So it's testing that as well. So once it tested, so I'll tell you also where exactly in which context we can utilize it. Also I'll highlight it. Which context will utilize it. Also we can highlight. It's very crucial for folks who travel and wanted to check the status. So you can see this is my location and it is giving me this much point. And if you go to detail, it will highlight what is the exact location, transfer rate. This is very interesting. You can see latitude and longitude, and there is the main part is consume data 18 MB, which is fine. Speed 4. Okay, no, I think there is, I just recall, I have power mode, mobile data, blue light. Okay, so there is an option called data saver. Is this on? Yeah, ultra data saving was on, but it was still working fine, correct? So I will uncheck it. So now it will not save any data, but with ultra saving it consume 18.89. And you can see the statistics like consume data, speed, latitude, longitude, and accuracy. My location, transfer rate, you can see latency is there. File type fine, Azure network it is using, fair enough. And quality is fine. Streaming delay this much, streaming loading duration this, and which site took what, and the detail information, find explanation. So you can see downloading is this much, uploading this much, streaming no lag did occur during the play. It is highlighting average time to load web page is 2.4 for 42 seconds from mobile network. So this is a detailed statistics which is really helpful. Now I will test the same thing with ultra data saving mode switch off. Okay, after switching off that particular mode, and and in the meantime I'll explain which context I'm actually checking it. So here I'm testing it. So let it start. So I'm saying let's say indoor only. So I selected indoor, it will start the process, but I think this icon is coming which I can move, and this is indoor. In the meantime, I'll explain. So wherever, imagine you are traveling somewhere, or you are planning to travel, or you are shifting to a new location from where you will be working. So based on that, exactly, you can create or do this testing from X location or destination location, and to cross check whether the net connection is there good or not. Number one. Number two, imagine you are going to any remote places, there also is it working fine. So you are meant to travel to some, let's say, I will say, low network area, then you can check at least will it sustain your work and connectivity, or there is some challenge. So you can cross check this also with this particular option. And what are the other context? Of course, your data speed also by default, you can check how the performance is, and is there any lagging or not in a certain area from indoor and outdoor while traveling in a particular from a particular location. You can cross check, and this will give you a exact result, or it will give a detailed result through which you will be able to evaluate the variation in the network connectivity. So that's how it, I think it is very pretty handy tool for the folks who travel frequently, and also to cross check how their network connectivity in their area. And I think it is a pretty good productivity tool. There are other also, just you can check. I cross checked it, I will say, just randomly, and I found it, and I'm just testing with that. I think similar kind of tool you can utilize in case you are planning for a remote work, as well as traveling and working from a remote location. Hope this will help. Thank you.